store. Hey, let me tell you the story about parlay. Hey, yeah. Let me tell a story about parlay. It was June 27, 2017. Parlay off the porch and he was barely fucking 17. Sneaking out the house, his mama know that he been selling weed. Sick and tired of starving there, night he making ends meet.
What a 1K gang, it's your boy Bart. Bart lost 1K, back again with another banger video. Every video is a banger video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That thing back there purling and growling and doing what it do. And since we outside, we near it, man, we went straight into this video. I got a package today. The package is right behind me as well. We got an old package, good old package in. About to go in and bust that thing open, and we about to see what we got. Yeah, man, new mod for the 2021. I almost said the name that I had for it, but I was gonna give away my whole little rap idea. But new mod for the Scat, and yeah, we're finna get ready, open that thing up, and we're about to get ready and install that thing, man. Let's get this. Alright, edit it up. Baby. Yeah. That diffuser thing. It's gonna look real good on there.
Back.
Get rid of this box and we'll turn the camera on in a second, man. We gotta get rid of this box. It's trash. Ain't gonna shoot on time. Okay, 1K game. We got the one and only Chevy Boy TV. How Chevy Boy, shout yourself out, man.
Man, Chevy Boy TV, man. Make sure you go check me out, man. They do. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna.
I'm looking at it. I was waiting.
It's been a little bit long. You know, I'm a little rusty, man. I gotta get back to the swing of it, man. Anyway, man, Chevy Boy TV, man. Make sure y'all go check me out, man. Like, man, comment, subscribe, man. You know the whole nine. I got more stuff coming, man. We about to be at 1,000 subscribers,
oh,
man.
Yeah,
you know
yeah. Good monetization on the way.
Yeah, we on the road to 1K, man. But,
Yeah,
show me some love over there, man.
1K game, I need y'all all to go and subscribe to my boy channel, man. Check out his good content, man. He got some great content. Yeah. LS content, you know what I'm saying? I'm still LS gang, even though I got the Mopar, but you know I'm still LS gang. Y'all know the Chevy is the what birthed me. Yep. So he a LS channel, and he got a whole bunch of bills over there. Stay tuned for his next little project he got going on with it. I know y'all seen. Yeah, there you go. I know y'all seen that it says thing. I put in every video. It's right there. Y'all see it. It ain't going nowhere. It's right there. We just ain't been out in it lately. But yeah. But over here, furthermore, we got the Scat in the garage. We about to go and put it on these ramps, and we about to get ready and shoot, put this diffuser on, man. We grab the diffuser. About to go and throw this diffuser on, man. Seemed like pretty simple. I think it's like four screws. I seen 5 screws, 6 screws, whatever it is, screws. But we're gonna get it together. I'll set this camera down and we're gonna go from there.
Hopefully,
we about to try to get it up here, man. Hopefully this ain't no fail attempt and get it on these ramps.
We try to see if it happens and go slow.
That's my problem. I don't know.
Cause I know I had this motherfucker. I was working on my mama car the other day.
Yeah.
I had the emergency brake on. That motherfucker shot out like a slingshot. I thought that was blue. I was like, damn.
almost had it.
Oh man, come on back. Come on, keep a little bit more, keep going, come on, right there, you almost there. Come on. All right. I know that was nerve-wracking.
Hey, boy, I was in that motherfucker sweating bullets. Boy, I was scared of mother, boy.
I know that was nerve-wracking.
Boy, was it? Man,
Every time you almost had it, you kept letting it go. You gotta...
boy, and everything, all the alarms in my car was beeping off, like to indicate you to stop.
Yeah.
Everything was going off. So I was like, man, I know if I hit this wheel just a little bit, that mother gonna spin. That mother gonna go right through the back of the garage. Every light in there was blinking red. Like it's usually yellow or orange. Everything was red blinking, and it was like blue, 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 blue. It was not. I'm like, man, no. I don't know if Nate see what I'm seeing, but then in the camera, you looked at even closer in the camera too.
Yeah.
So I was like, man, I don't know how much further he want me to go.
Nah, cause like every time you would let it go, you was like right there, so it was going right back down. So I'm like, every time you get right there, you just keep letting it go.
Yeah, see, I ain't never did nothing like that before, man. Then there's a lot of horsepower to be doing that with, you know what I'm saying, trying to hit the gas, and I ain't want him to spin. You know what I'm saying? That was my big thing. I ain't want him to spin from under it. But shoot, this is good right here.
Yeah,
it's actually pretty high.
I'm about to move this stuff right here though, so we have.
All right, bet. Let's turn this camera off for a second. I'm gonna get situated.
What happened? Nigga, something fell in my mouth. About to be like that dude from off that reporter video. Motherfucker holding rocks. I need to get this out right here though. This might be a little different than the ones in the wheel. Damn, we gotta go through the motherfucking the torture of that damn wheel shit again.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
I forgot about that.
Why you take your fenders? Oh, it does. You could.
You know what I'm saying? The front bumper was gone.
Take your fenders, man. You like what?
Front bumper was gone, bro.
Yeah. I need to get this bitch out right here. This motherfucker a little tough. I don't trust this plastic. It's a little flimsy.
Is it the same piece that's over here?
Yeah, it's the same one.
You already got you got this side out though, right?
No, I got it down.
But I'm saying that's the same piece you trying to grab?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You really just gotta pry these bitches out. I don't like that shit. I don't trust in this shit nowadays. Oh, you gotta fly it. Oh, you did.
I don't know what I'm doing, y'all.
You got it? Oh, I thought you got it.
I wish I did.
Oh, man, come on, do this. Damn, man. It ain't hard. It's just, I don't be trusting this shit.
You might break.
Huh?
You might break.
Yeah. I'm gonna wiggle this bitch out, actually. Ain't no nobody breaking that way. Cause if you put your finger right here, see my finger at? Yeah. You can feel it. You know what I'm saying? So you'll know the only thing you gotta do is pull it in and out, really. But I just don't trust it. You see what I'm saying? How flimsy it is? All that shit. I mean, if I break the clip, you know, I ain't tripping on the clip too much because they only cost fucking 50 cents at the auto parts store. They're just plastic container pieces. But I just don't want to break this or that. Man, they ain't 50 cents. Damn, that bitch in there. The fuck they put Loctite on them?
There could be so much air up in there, you know, take it right out.
Shit. Cause once I get these out, this diffuser gonna slide right on out, and you just put the clips in. The heat coming off this motherfucker on this side, boy. Get my screwdriver back.
You ain't got no more of them things?
D?
Yeah.
Yeah, they up there in that little small thing over there. Yeah, I'll just probably wiggle this bitch out now because I got it coming down, so.
You got it?
You can see. That motherfucker tough, ain't it? What's up, Booby?
I didn't know you was here.
Golly.
Okay, gang, we are done. Got that mug on, man. My thing ran out of storage, so I wasn't able to record actually putting it on. But yeah, we got to get these tips off ASAP and put some bigger ones on ASAP. They go the old one in comparison. That's the old one. That's the new one, as you see. Yeah, you know I'm gonna jazz this new one up. I was gonna get carbon fiber, but if I get carbon fiber that, then I was gonna have to go with carbon fiber all around it. And my spoiler, I feel like I'll go have to carbon fiber that. But this will do just fine, man. I'm not really pressed about the carbon fiber look. I'm cool with that, you know what I'm saying? But I'm about to go ahead and pull it down off these things, man, and I'm gonna turn the camera on to get a little footage of it outside the garage. And yeah. We got your boy Chevy Boy TV on the thing. D-badging. I forgot to throw that in there. I almost stopped the video without that. Yeah, let me pull that off. Here, I'm gonna set the camera down. Gang, you trying to see we got that bad boy off. Already looking a lot cool. Okay, gang. Here we go in the daytime. Just gonna show y'all the finished product of this thing real quick. With the light deleted. Well, the letters on the light deleted and the diffuser on. Still got the stock tips on it, but I'm gonna change them out, man. Car looks oh ferocious, oh so good, man. See, this all one piece. All one piece, man. Like I said, man, stay tuned for the next video, man. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, bring a friend, leave a friend. It's your boy Bart Lawson 1K. I'm out.
I walk around with that bag on me. Jump in my hood with a half on me. I walk around with that strap on me. I walk around with that bag on me. Every time you see me, niggas, 2500 on me, nigga. Cause I walk around with that bag on me. I walk around.